Here's a brief introduction on how you can sell memberships on WordPress sites with WooCommerce and groups. In addition to the groups and the WooCommerce plugin, you need groups WooCommerce and optionally WooCommerce subscriptions. Groups WooCommerce grants memberships based on products sold. It automatically assigns a customer to one or more groups based on the products ordered. This is okay if you grant membership through one-time payments. Now, if you want to charge a monthly subscription fee, WooCommerce Subscriptions adds a new subscription product type which allows to do that, and Groups WooCommerce controls the memberships for the duration of the subscriptions. For this demo we have all 4 plugins installed, so we can see how this works for a normal product and a subscription product. To sell memberships, you need these plugins. Groups, a free plugin that provides membership and access control capabilities. WooCommerce, also a free plugin that provides the e-commerce system. And Groups WooCommerce, which allows to sell group memberships through WooCommerce. And optionally WooCommerce Subscriptions, which adds subscription products and recurring payments to WooCommerce in case you want to sell subscriptions. On this demo, there are 2 specific groups defined that can grant access to restricted content on the site, Premium and Platinum. Both groups have related capabilities assigned, and these are also used to restrict access to content based on the settings on the Groups Options page. For the demo, there are simply 2 pages that are protected. One can only be accessed by Premium members, the other by Platinum members. Of course, this can be extended to any number of pages, and the free Groups plugin also has more advanced features that allow to control what content is shown to members. The Groups WooCommerce plugin adds a new Groups tab to the product data section where groups can be selected. When a customer purchases the product, membership to the selected groups is granted on his account. The Platinum product is a normal product that, when purchased, makes the customer a member of the Platinum as well as the Premium group. The Premium product is a subscription which grants membership on the Premium group. Here is an example of how a customer purchases the Platinum product and once paid is granted membership on the Platinum and the Premium groups. In this example, a customer subscribes to the Premium product and is granted membership on the Premium group.